Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency, Maria Agnes, Ambassador of Philippines to Pakistan, Mr. Murtaza Wahab, Mayor of Karachi, Ms. Cecilia Lazaro, Chairperson of the Raymond RMFAF, Hassan Salim, Chairman and Founder of TCF, the past recipients. I see so many faces and I see so many great people in this room. If I start taking the names, I guess I'll just welcome all of you here. First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody here, and especially the guests who've traveled from Philippines. The Raymond Del Fierro Magsaysay Award, founded under the name of the late President of the Philippines, who was one of the greatest and most distinguished global leaders of his time. We pay tribute to him for founding this award, which is the most prestigious award, and we consider it as a Nobel Award of Asia for award on public service. I believe there are 14 awardees to this time, if I remember correctly. 13. Okay, 13. Hopefully there'll be more. So the 13 awardees, and our good fortune, the good fortune of the government of Sindh, that the people who are here, we at some point in time or the other have been working very closely. May it be late Mr. Abdul Sattar Eidi, Bilkis Eidi, and after that Faisal, the Mary Adelaide Leprosy Center, Mr. Tasneem Siddiqui, the SIUT, Dr. Adib Rizvi, TCF, who we've been working very closely with, and literally everybody who's been awarded and has some links with the province of Sindh. The government of Sindh has been working with them. I am grateful to the Citizen Foundation who've invited me here today to be part of this greatness of spirit, and I'm very humbled to be part of the book launch of this greatness of spirit, stories of love, courage and service. Mr. Mushtaq Chapra was telling me the weight of these volumes is 10 kilos. But what is inside them is worth all the weight in the world. So it's, and each of the persons, each of the people that we had, I just came in late. I had to go to Islamabad and I just came back from there. Each of the persons, and three, Mr. Siddiqui, Mr. Eidi, and Dr. Ruth, I've had the fortune of meeting and not working with Mr. Eidi. I'm glad my late father worked with him. Tasneem Siddiqui Saab I'd met, and his son just told me that he'd also worked with my father. And Dr. Ruth, although I did not work with her, I did meet her, but after passing away, we worked very closely with the Mary Adelaide Leprosy Center, and I actually should congratulate Mervyn. He got the Order of Merit from the German government. Yesterday his services were recognized. So, and the government of Sindh, as I said, has been fortunate that we've worked with all of them, and so many other organizations that I see here, Kiran Foundation, you see. As far as the government of Sindh is concerned, I give you my fullest assurance. People, and I tell you, Mervyn just said that people don't know about them because they go and work with people who don't meet other people. I believe, and as Faisal told us, that his father was inspired, or his father was trained by his mother, Faisal's Faisal's grandmother. Similarly, each of these people have lighted a lot of people in this, given light to a lot of people in this world, but they themselves have been inspired by the ones who are suffering. And we need to all work together to take care of them. The government of Sindh is always there, and I assure you that the government of Sindh will work together with TCF. We are working very closely. We are doing 500 schools in collaboration with TCF, the government of Sindh. With the Patient Aid Foundation, we've worked with them, and one of our largest hospitals, we are working in public-private partnership with the Citizens Foundation. And I assure you, I can say this on my behalf, on behalf of Government of Sindh, that resources would not be a problem. If you ever need any support, we'll be there. The problem is people working for the right cause, and this room is full of them. So we look towards you for helping us do our work to help the people of this province and this country. Once again, I'm truly humbled, and I'm grateful to the Citizens Foundation, to the organizers for having me here today. And once again, Excellency the Ambassador, Ms. Lazaro, I'm grateful for you to come here to Karachi for this event. Thank you very much.